So,
So
so I guess
here,
it's the same in La Paz.
no, here it doesn't raining, but the sky is covered, can be.
It's great.
It's great, yes, but it isn't raining.
Oh,
We
that's
are,
terrible.
yes, and it's supposed to in February. There are a lot of rains, but this month nothing.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yes.
Yes, in Cochabamba the weather is terrible. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I had to, if I want to, because I'm not at home the whole day. So I wake up at 5 a.m. Then I go to the gym and I go to the university, and then, as you know, it at mornings, right? It's a little bit cold, but then it is sunny. But at afternoon, it's raining, so it's complicated. It's because of the global warming, I guess.
It's like La Paz in the past.
Yes, 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 in a similar way. So we have to take care. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, this is a wren, right? It's a kind of bird.
Okay.
So then we have nesting, okay, as we have in our how can you say, in our sentence, right? In adjective clauses, the nest is where this bird is like it's home, right? So
Okay.
that's the meaning of it. Wren is a name of a bird. It's a kind of bird. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So with that, we're gonna continue, and okay, we're gonna continue to Google Docs, and we have Wren was trying to build a nest. Okay. So it's home, right?
Okay.
So it had been injured. Is there any question about the vocabulary?
No, it's okay. I understand now.
Okay. Okay, cool. So could you please try to join these two sentences in one?
Okay.
Was trying to build a nest. Okay, the rain who was trying to build a nest had been injured.
I don't know if it's who or
It's which, right?
which, or maybe
Yes,
that.
could be, could be, could be that or who. This is complicated because, as you know, it works with animals. We actually use it for animals, right?
Yes.
But there are people, and they used who for animals as they were people, right? So it depends. It depends. It totally depends. But grammatically talking, it's okay if we write which, because
Okay.
it's an animal.
Okay.
So Aaron was trying to Aaron was trying to build a nest, had been injured. So let's identify the noun. Aaron is the noun. So everything is about it. The information that we're gonna give needs to be I'm not sure if it's okay. Okay, could you find another way to do it? Aaron was trying to build the nest, had been injured. Aaron that was trying to build.
Maybe can be a rain that had been enduring when he no.
Could
It's
be
not okay.
in some way, right?
Yep. Rain.
So, what do you think? So, Ryan was trying to be honest. It had been injured. How can we say it?
Rain had been
Take your time because those are a little bit more complex because of the way it is structured.
Okay, maybe. Rain.
How about a rain that had been injured was trying to build a nest?
A rain that was trying to build.
Because if you say a rain that was trying to build a nest had been injured, you are saying that the nest had been injured, and there is no way to it happen. Es como si estuvieras diciendo que el nido ha sido herido, right? Entonces no tendría sentido en contexto.
Yes, it's true.
So try to do it again. A rain
that had been
injured was trying to build a nest.
Nest, yes.
Probably erase this. Okay, now is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's the correct answer, right? A rain that had been injured, el pájaro que ha sido herido estaba tratando de construir un nido. Okay?
Yep.
All right, great. We're gonna continue with the other one. And okay, this is gonna be your, no, it's a little bit more easy. Okay, this one. So, okay, the structure can be seen for miles. It stands on a mountain. What do you think?
The structure can be seen for miles. It stands on a mountain. The structure.
What is the first step that you could do?
Structure.
Okay, to look for the noun, right?
Yes. After that, give the information. After the model.
So could you repeat?
We have to give more information after use the model. Was the model? No. The pronoun?
Okay. Well, we're going to identify that we have two nouns, right?
Yes.
This one. And we also have a subject, it. So it refers to the same. Okay, the structure. So can be seen for miles and stands on a mountain. Stands on a mountain. Which of these two sentences gives us more information about the structure? The first one or the second one?
The second one.
Okay, the structure. Now we need to use
pronoun. Relative
relative
yes.
pronoun.
That's
can be seen. Okay. The structure that stands on a mountain can be seen for miles. How about this other one? Oh, Judy is my father's sister. She visits us in June.
Aunt Judith is my father's sister. Okay. She visits us in June.
So what do you think?
Aunt Jody.
And Judy, okay.
Who visits us
Okay.
in John?
Which?
Who visit
Who
us?
visits?
Yes.
Who visits? And okay, John. Okay, great. Visits. Okay, Aunt Judy.
The Vincent John is
Aunt
my
Judy.
father's
Who is my
father's sister.
Aunt Judy, who visits us in June, is my father's sister. Judy, who visits us in June, is my father's sister. Okay, and Judy, who is my father's sister, visits us in June. We could have in this case, we could have two possibilities, right? The first one you already written, and the second one is Aunt Judy, who is my father's sister, visits us in June. Okay.
Yes, I think
But
it's
in both,
better. I think the second one is better because we are talking first about me and my father.
uh-huh.
So after that, we have to use us. If we use us
Okay,
first,
great observation.
we
Aunt
use us
Judy,
first. It's we don't know about who I'm talking.
okay. So how could it be? Aunt Judy, who
Who
is
is my first father's sister? Visit us in John.
okay? Visits us in June.
Mhm.
Okay, Aunt Judy, who is my father's sister. Then if we're gonna change to this way, we need to use a comma, right?
Okay.
This is part of punctuation, right? We're gonna watch that lesson then. It's not part of this lesson. We have to know. In some cases, we need the use of comma, right? And it's basically when a clause finished. Okay. So, but we're gonna look for it then. We're gonna learn how to use commas. What else? Okay. How about this one?
This
Oh,
is the
no,
last
give me a second.
that I must take.
Okay, in this sentence, right, you have to, no, we're not gonna do this one yet. Not yet. We're gonna continue with this other one. Okay, what else? We're gonna do a little bit more. One sentence that it's not too difficult. And, okay, how about this sentence? It's an easy one.
This is the building I go to school.
This is the building I go to school. Okay, this is this building. This is the building that I want to school. Okay, we can also use this is a building. Sorry?
No, I'm not sure. Is the building that I go to school?
Okay, could we have the noun? This is the building, okay? So in this case, building could be related to we don't have another one, right? We don't have two subjects or we don't have two separate subjects as we have in the other exercises, right?
Yes.
So this is the building I go to school. So give me a second. I'm looking for it. This is the building. We can change the relative pronoun maybe. If we're talking about a place, what relative pronoun do we have to use?
Which?
Okay. Okay,
where?
so
Where? Sorry. Can be where.
okay, yes, it sounds better, right?
This is the
This
building
is
where I go.
where I go to school. Now it sounds better, okay?
Yes.
As you've seen, not in all the cases, this is a building. Oh, we forgot the article. This is a building where I go to school. That's all. As you've seen, we in some cases we don't need two subjects in clause number 1 or maybe in clause number 2 because it's already understood, right? Now we're gonna continue with this exercise. How about this one? Oh my goodness. Okay, a research paper on environmental problems received an award. I wrote the paper.
Research
How
paper.
could you change this one? If you can underline the words and then
okay.
to understand better. Research. Okay. Okay, what is your noun in this sentence?
A research paper on environmental problems.
We have to research.
Yes.
Okay,
A research paper on environmental problems is the noun.
Is everything okay? A research paper on environmental problems received an award. An award, sorry, the intonation goes there. An award.
That I wrote received an award.
Could you please write it? I don't really get it.
Okay.
A research paper on environmental problems that I wrote received. Check your spelling, please. Receive.
Yes, sir. Is my autocorrector.
Okay, don't worry. A research paper on environmental problems. A research paper.
And award. Which award?
Okay, is that your final answer?
I think.
Okay, a research paper on environmental problems that, so your noun is a research paper on environmental problems. Is that a noun? That I wrote, received an award. Un trabajo de investigación, algo así podría ser, sobre problemas ambientales que escribí, recibió un premio.
Yes.
Okay, how can we change another way? A research paper on environmental problems. I wrote. In this case, we have to. Oh, you replace paper, right? This is your noun, okay?
Okay, we can use only the paper. The paper that I wrote to receive an award.
Yes, could be though. A
Okay.
research paper on environmental problems that a research paper that I wrote received an award on environmental problems. Yes, that could be another answer. Okay. So you're saying that the paper you wrote received an award. Okay. Could be something like that. So could you please try it again?
Okay.
Oh, could be a research paper.
Only can be the paper that I wrote or receive an award.
Could be. Give me a second. Because you're saying that you wrote something. Okay. Yes. In this case, a research paper. So the noun is the paper. Okay. So you're saying that your work, right, received an award of it. So could be a research paper on environmental problems, though. It's a little bit more directly that I wrote received an award. That could be who received an award. Yes, we're gonna say like that. We're gonna leave it like that. Lo vamos a dejar así, porque también tendría sentido. No está mal, no está mal. Gramáticamente está bien. Pero estamos buscando otras formas de tal vez combinarla a la oración. So we have to see that we could have more than one answer, right, in this exercise. And how about this one? Give me a second. We're gonna erase this one. Okay, my driveway is in front of my house. I parked 4 cars there. First thing, we're gonna identify the noun. Which is the noun?
My driveway is in front of
what word is the noun?
My driveway.
Sorry?
Driveway is parqueo, maybe?
Yeah, something like that. Similar to it.
Okay.
So it's like we have the parking lot when the car is already there, and we have the driver when is the park where the cars enter to the parking lot. Do you get it? Es como que no es cierto que cuando entramos a algún parqueo siempre hay una ventanilla donde nos controla. So that's the driveway. And then once you pay your the amount that you have to pay for the parking lot, you enter to the parking lot.
Okay.
Okay. So my driveway. Okay, that's the noun. So we only have yes, my driveway. Now we're gonna okay, give me a second, we're gonna underline this. Now we we need to use a relative pronoun. What could you use?
Which?
Where? Where is for places? Okay. Do you get it? Which is for things. Ok, en este caso estaría mejor si escribimos con where. En dónde, ok.
The park. Yes.
My driveway where I. Okay. Is in front of my house. Okay, I'm thinking if we could have another option. My driveway. No, we couldn't. There is another. As I mentioned before, we could have some cases where we can change the order of the sentence in order. But the point here is to keep the original meaning, right? But in this case, no. We only have one option. So is it clear now?
Yes, it's clear.
Was maybe did you have any problem?
No, it's okay.
Was it difficult for you?
In some exercise, yes. But after that, it was easy, I think.
Okay, okay. So we're gonna finish with this last exercise. I wrote everyone criticize my opinion. Okay, so you are gonna complete this sentence, please. So we already have the noun. In this case, is my opinion, right? So now we need to. We already wrote the relative pronoun. Is which, because we're talking about my opinion. What complement could you give to this sentence, or what information could you give about your opinion? Everyone criticized my opinion. Which
is the truth.
which is the truth? Okay. Okay.
No, because if I want to explain, I'm trying to use the passive voice.
It's okay, don't worry.
It's no
That's a
problem?
great combination. There is no problem. Even though it sounds more formal, so it's okay for the context. Okay, okay. My opinion, which is the truth, is criticized by everyone. Okay, that's cool. I wasn't expecting that, but it was great, right? It was great. So, is there any question maybe?
No, it's okay.
All right. So the lesson was basically that, to practice a little bit, because it was an expansion. When we finish the models, right? We already finished. We're almost there. Ya casi terminamos los módulos. Entonces, sigue la práctica, right? Porque no, considero que los ejercicios que tenemos en Pearson no son tan complejos, right? Entonces, de eso se trataba la lección del día de hoy. Una vez que se termina toda la parte de la gramática, se continúa con los reviews, right? Entonces, es súper importante ver los reviews de algunos temas que ya habíamos visto. Entonces, las dos siguientes lecciones justamente tratan de eso. Y vamos a ver una lección más que es súper importante. Es una lección interesante más que todo. For example, what else can we say? I'm going to take an example. If I'm going to say, I do think the same, right? I do think the same. I'm using the auxiliary verb do, and then I'm using think. But it's not a question. It's not a negative. It's an emphasis, right? So the next lesson is going to be about it. Auxiliary verbs for emphasis, right? And you're going to listen this everywhere. But tomorrow's lesson, it's about auxiliary verbs for emphasis, and then we have phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs, we have a practice for it, right? Nuevamente vamos a practicar. Voy a traer una práctica. With it, we should finish the model. I'm going to assign you the quiz, the final quiz of the model, and that will be now. Apart from that, I need to know at what time are you available tomorrow?
In the morning.
At what time?
Before 1 o'clock. It's okay.
All right. Could be at, what day is tomorrow? Friday, right?
Friday.
Okay. The other day we had classes at 7, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm not sure if I'm taking courses, right? I have how is it called? We're seeing a background about essays, right, and translation in French, right? It's not part of the institute, right? But I work at the university though. So, but I have tomorrow morning. I guess I'm gonna check the hour. I don't remember at what time was it. But if I can't, I'm gonna let you know, right? So if you're available on what day is it? On the weekend at morning or at whatever time, because I'm free now. I'm free, right? So I'm gonna let you know. Okay, entonces es que no se pudiera pasar porque pasa que el día de mañana estamos en unos seminarios de traducción francesa. Te haría saber tal vez a primera hora porque creo que nos han enviado los horarios, pero luego los cambian. Es lo malo, right? Entonces, te haría saber mañana en la mañana antes de empezar la clase, pero es más seguro que sí pasemos, right? A las 7 de la mañana, ¿está bien?
Sí, por mí está bien. No hay problema. Y si no puedes, no hay ningún problema también el sábado, que igual voy a estar libre en la mañana. Por la tarde voy a trabajar, así que no hay ningún problema.
Oh, estaría okay, that will be cool, right? So I'm gonna let you know, please give me until 12, I guess they're gonna let us know. And I'm gonna let you know about the schedule, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's cool, Walter. So I hope I can see you tomorrow. I'm gonna let you know whatever notice I have, whatever new I have. And yes, that will be everything for today's classes, right? Don't forget to do the homework.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you, Walter. Did you finish the book?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So have a great night. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, okay?
See you tomorrow. Thanks to you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.